In today's video, I will teach you how to create an outstanding professional cover letter using Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and type cover letter in the search bar. Alternatively, you can also click on the plus icon at the tabs bar, and here you can make a custom-sized blank canvas. But for this video, I will choose a template from the template library. Here, you can pick a free template that fits your idea or the recipient of your cover letter and job application. But you also have the option to apply filters to the designs to narrow down your choices. Just click on the All Filters option and you can filter out the designs based on your preferences. Once you've found the right design for you, just click on it and Canva will show you more designs similar to the one you chose. But you can also click on the Customize Template button if you want to stick with your chosen design. To customize your cover letter, you can tweak the elements within the layout, such as choosing a different font, adding small icons, or adjusting the color scheme. You can also browse Canva's wide stock library for graphic components to include in your cover letter. You can also use their free and premium icons, pictures, shapes, and more to graphically communicate your knowledge and experience. Just take note of the crown icon attached to it, because you need to upgrade to Canva Pro to use these elements. Once you've added the element of your choice, you can also customize it by using the tools on the toolbar. You can also upload your own files in the Uploads tab, but Canva also provides free stock images and videos in their respective tabs. To add text to your design, just open the Text tab and choose which template suits your design best, or you can make your own by clicking on the Add Text box option. Now you have a cover letter that will surely get that price callback in no time. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can get updated whenever we upload new tutorials.